have to keep a little distance. Sometimes they check also on the bridge. Camera here, but I don't know for what it is. Maybe it's for parking area, I don't know. Oh, 92 is too much, but 85 is not enough. I should go on the second line for overtaking, but I have to look for a good moment. I think after this one, no, it's coming too fast. I cannot. I have to stay with 83. I go right now because that it's very far, and I close this line, and I will overtake. Other way I cannot make this. Have a lot of cars behind of me, but I make this very fast, and then I open the line. Because now you have to wait after me. But I go here. A little space, and now I'm going in this line, and now I'm too close of this one, and I have to put a brake. The highway is too busy. Better I don't try to overtake again. Now it's a good moment, but because it's on the valley, this driver, they let the truck to 90. I also cannot make. Anyway, in 4 kilometers I have to go out, so I will not force the highway. I just stay here, drive with 85. Here I have overtake and I cannot make it. Have to take the exit Neumarkt. Eighty, 85, 84. I wait, I don't have what to do, because this is my exit in 1000 meters. Right here I go out. This is the motorway, and here I have speed limit 60. I have to drive slowly. I have a Burger King here. And the 60 is finished, but anyway, for me, for trucks, it's also 60 here, but I drive a little faster, 70, 72 when I see it's a good moment. This is Berger, the campers fabric. They make some cars and trucks. They customize these cars for traveling. No, the camper cars. Safari, I don't know, but for holidays they make a lot of stuffs. Traffic light here, and now it's green. So here in Germany the price is €1.79, and I make the diesel in Austria with 1.69, so it's 10 cents less. It's not too much, but when I make 1000 liters of diesel with 10 cents, I have how much? 100 euro economy, so it's not so bad. Straight ahead in this roundabout, checking if I have free. Yeah. Next roundabout, have to go to the right direction, Nuremberg. This is my electronic cigarette. You don't want to stay there at all.